Namaste, everyone. Let's begin our practice. Keep calm your body, maintain the silence, and focus to your breath. Just follow the body moves. Feel free from the mind. Feel free your whole body. No need to think what's happening outside. Just focus on your practice. Now slowly allow your awareness to move through your entire body. Breathe in, and with exhale take the right feet back. Drop the knee down, then lift the knee up. Adjust the body. Right arm down, left up. Move your left arm around the circle movement through front to back. At least focus and look your arm. Maintain your breath normal. Move here. Then slowly drop your both palm down, and then twist your both feet. Come to your ankle part. Press your knee outside and open your hip joints. Look up. Feel the stretch on your whole inner hip bones. Gently come up, move around your whole mat and come to the front side. Both feet parallel to the mat. Then interlock your fingers behind the back and squeeze open the shoulders. You can move up and down to opening your shoulder blade, and then maintain the position few seconds. Gently come up, inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, come to the front, bend the knee. Let's do some shoulder stretch. If you have a stiff shoulder, you can use a strap or a towel, whatever you have right now. Like me, now right arm from upside, left hand from the lower side, and try to grab behind the back. That is strap. Now squeeze and sink down your butt towards the mat. Little bit arch your back, open your ribs, open your chest, your armpits. Then slowly exhale, straight your front knee and bring your head towards to the chin or towards to the knee. Keep your shoulders stretched. Then exhale, slowly come back. Release from the upside, keep your lower hand down and then bring the left arm up over the head. Now you can twist and open the chest part or rib cage. Feel more opening of your heart. Then slowly sink your butt more down, your back foot take more back, that you can feel fine stretch of your inner thighs. Keep your butt sink down, more sink. You can use your fingers to straighten your arms, chest open. Then exhale, take your both feet back in the full plank pose, chaturanga and upward facing dog. With exhale, downward facing dog. Very well. Then switch the side. Right foot front. Now right arm, make a big circle and try to look your arms. Keep round big circle. Now slowly drop your both. Twist your body. Come to the both ankle. With your hand, open your knee out. Stretch your whole outer glutes, inner glutes with the both side. You can look over the shoulder. Now slowly come back and move around the mat. Look to the opposite. Then slowly stretch your upper body, stretch your lower body, and make a twist. Drop the right, take your left arm up, then change. Keep moving few rounds like this. Make sure your breath should be even. Not longer inhale, not longer exhale, just normal both sides. Keep focusing. Feel the prana which is energizing your entire body at this moment. Now slowly both hand behind of your head and then sink down your upper body. Then slowly move to the front side. Good. Drop the knee down. Now shoulder stretch with the opposite side, because my one side shoulder is stiff, opposite side shoulder is normal. So right now I don't need a strap. I'm moving just with my both hands. Make sure sinking down your butt towards to the mat, chest open, ribs open. Then front knee straight slowly and head towards to the chin, towards to the knee. Keeping your shoulders stretched at this moment. Adjust and normal breathe. Very well. Then slowly come back. If you have problem on your knees, you can take a blanket underneath your knee. Now slowly left arm down and opposite right arm over the head, twist the spine outside. Then slowly bring your both palm down. Now we will stretch your whole leg. Back foot more back, sink down your butt. Stay here few seconds. Keep calm your mind, your body. Just breathe and focused. And slowly bring your both foot back. Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, and then Adho Mukha Svanasana. Very good. Drop your both knees down. We will move to the another part of practice. Then first move the mat towards to the wall. This part of practice will synchronize your whole body evenly. Just drop your right feet back on the wall, knee just near of the corner of the wall, right, and front foot in the 90 degree. Yes, you will feel a fine stretch on your quadriceps, biceps muscles or thigh muscles, we can say that. Sink down your butt towards to the mat. Try to keep your open chest. Both palm on your knees and adjust yourself. Keep adjusting. If you are a beginner, you can drop your arm down. Otherwise, try to stretch your body like this. Move and change the opposite in the same direction. Don't take so much strain. Okay, try to keep relaxed. Yes, you must feel stretch, but if you're feeling strain there, you can immediately come down. If you have serious knee injury, don't do it. Practice your yoga every day. Keep yourself healthy every day. To maintain your peace, maintain your mentally health, your physically health, your spiritually health. Keep every day practice yoga. Now slowly come to the another sequence of practice called rejuvenate session. Now slowly lie down on the mat and your hips closer to the wall, your both feet on the wall, heel facing upside. Now stay here and fully relax. Relax yourself here. No need to take any kind of stress and strain, just feel free your entire body. Now allow your awareness to move through your entire body. Breathe in from the base chakra and listen to the sound of each energy center being chanted one at a time, focusing on the location of each chakra. As we chant the sound together, imagine the symbol of infinity running through your body from the base of your spine up to the crown chakra and again back down again, and a never-ending figure of 8 or infinity. Breathe in and begin with me. Lam Vam Ram Yam Hum Sam Om. Repeat. Lam Vam Ram Yam Hum Sham Om. One more time, repeat after me. Lam Vam Ram Yam Hum Sham Om. Relax and allow your body to drift into that healing state of healing rest, somewhere between making and dreaming. Let go of all thoughts and emotions, allowing the body to heal itself. And now, gently bring your awareness back into this environment. Take a deep breath in and out. Know that you can return to the silence base at any time you feel the need to rejuvenate. And here, remember that you manifest the jewel of your existence with every breath, with every day, that you are alive. Repeat two sentences with me, that I am divine, I am connected. I am divine because I'm the part of that supreme energy or supreme divine. So I am the part. That's why I am connected. Connected with that supreme energy, divine energy. Let yourself to connect with this nature, with this supreme energy. Now you will feel yourself to be more free and more connected. You will feel free. You will feel so light. So light endorsement. Light power. You feel full with divine consciousness. You will see your inner world, which is manifest your prana from the fulfillness of the divine consciousness. The word because divine consciousness is non-dual and infinite. Pray to the God, to the supreme energy, that keep me not in unreality, make me go towards to the reality. Keep me not in the darkness, but make me go towards to the light. Keep me not in mortality, but make me go towards to the world of immortality. That was today's practice. Now thank you. Namaste. Pranam to Asana. Thanks to everyone who bring joy in your life.